Join me as we spruce up some Dollar Tree products with a little bit of Hobby Lobby and make some beautiful decor.
So this is going to be a very easy Dollar Tree project. We're going to take one of these Dollar Tree candy cane acrylic plates. They're so pretty. One of these very popular, I guess they're kind of a Pottery Barn dupe, I'm not sure. You can only find one in the store. And then we're going to take some of these little vase fillers, and we're going to grab some E6000 and we're going to make ourselves a nice little goodie tray. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a vase filler into this cup. Ooh, it's sparkly. And we're just gonna, get it everywhere. I guess I don't need that much. There's some more color. Maybe that's all over my floor. But we just want to give it a nice little, just so we fill it up. That looks pretty like that. To give it a little extra dimension here. And you could mix it up a little bit more. I don't mind the way this looks, but you do it how you want to. So now we're going to take our Quick Hold E6000. If I could get it open, I might have to pause this. Okay, we're going to go with this E6000. I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to line the rim a little bit. Here, we just want to get it to stick here. You know, we don't want to go too crazy. We just want it to adhere to the plate. Not it being too messy or sloppy. So there we go. And now I'm going to put this down and I'm going to find the center of my plate and hopefully we have it even. We're just going to press it down like that. And we want to let this dry for about 24 hours. But look at how pretty. We have a nice little Dollar Tree cookie tray.
So I painted my deer. And yes, I painted it with Valspar white wall paint. I have a big old can of it. I use it for a lot of different things, including painting crafts. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't like perfect with certain things. I like the more rustic where you could see the brushes and the missed parts and that. I think it adds character. So now we're going to let it dry. And then all I'm going to do is glue a pretty little ornament that I got from Hobby Lobby on it. And we'll be done with that. And here's a view of the nightmare. I don't have a craft room right now, so everything happens in the living room and it's a mess. Lots of projects going on. Just thought I'd share.
So I painted my Dollar Tree deer. I got this on clearance last year after Christmas. I think these were regular $5 and it was like 75% off, or even some things were 90% off. I think I paid like $1.50 for it. And I love it. And I'm going to take this beautiful Hobby Lobby ornament. Now these came in a pack of 4. They were $7.99, but they were also 50% off, so maybe I paid a little bit more than $4 for them. I got 4 of them. They're going to be incorporated in my fireplace mantle, which I will eventually have a video for that. But I just want to kind of put this on her to give her a little decor. Well, him. It's a boy, Chris. He has antlers. It's a boy. So let's go ahead and do that. Now I was going to keep the hanger on, but I could always restring it if I need to. So I am going to cut this off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it here, but we're going to have to lay her down just so the glue, him, Chris, it's a him, so that the thing actually sticks. So yeah, we're going to just let them lie like that. So let's get our glue. And I'm just gonna put a generous amount on around here and up this way. I don't want to drown it, but I don't want it to fall off either. Okay, so yeah, that's a good amount. And now I'm just going to, I don't want to cover up his face too much. I'm just going to kind of adhere it. And there you go. Easy peasy. The hardest thing about this was painting the deer, and you didn't even have to. I just have more white in my mantle. I actually love the silver gray, but I have more white in my mantle. But look at that. Does that not look like it could come from a designer place? I think so. For our next super easy Dollar Tree project, we're just going to take a few picks that I got at Joann last year on clearance. I think I paid maybe 25 cents a piece for these. But as much as I love Joann, don't worry. You can get these anywhere. And you could get whatever you want, whatever style you want. And we're also going to use this really pretty vase I got from Dollar Tree. This was, I don't want to say it was $1.25. I think it was $1.75. But it's pretty, and it kind of goes with that Ralph Lauren thing that's going around, I guess. So I like it. Very cute, very country, rustic. So let's make a small little arrangement. So I'm actually going to put some Epsom salt in my jar to help me arrange the picks a little bit better. And it's going to smell good too. So we're just going to scoop some Epsom salt. I have a ton of Epsom salt. I just love it. It's going to smell very nice. I don't know. It's a combination of all the Dr. Teal's ones and some rose bath salts. I just wanted to put some in there just so we can maneuver our design a little bit better. So since none of these match, which is fine, I think I'm going to stick this one kind of in the back like that. And then maybe we'll stick this one to the side a little bit. And then we'll just take this one and stick that in there. And there you have it. Look at that. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. It smells great. I just thought I'd let you know that. So that took like 2 seconds. And it's very pretty and very festive. You could change out the bow if you want. Again, you could get whatever greenery you want. I'm using what I have on hand because everybody's broke. So we're going to use what we got, which isn't so bad. I think it looks pretty. So there you go. Another quick and easy craft. Here is another quick and easy way. I love trees. Like my mantle's all trees. So this is pretty on its own. I got it at Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off. And I just swooped it out. But since I had white deer, I saw these 2 deer. You got 2 for $1.50 or $1.75. I don't know what the holiday stuff is at Dollar Tree, to be honest. So I got these 2 white deer, and they're very pretty. I'm just going to kind of arrange them at the bottom of my tree to kind of give it a little more decor. And look at that. Look at how lovely. It looks super fancy. Even the base. Would I like to have a white base? Yes, but I'm not painting anything else. Very rustic, natural. My mantle's more of a natural winter theme. I could keep this up all winter because it's wintry. It's not just Christmas. And I'm very happy with that. Very quick, very easy. Okay, this is the newest addition to my tree family. I got this at Marshall's. It was $19, which is a splurge, but I just love the way these trees look. And I was able to get it for free, to be honest, because I cashed in my fetch points for a $50 TJX gift card, which covers Marshall's, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Sierra, Trading Post, a couple other places. So this is my newest tree to my collection. And again, I'm just going to take one of these Hobby Lobby ornaments that I got in the 4-pack. And I'm just going to, let's see here, just going to kind of prop it on this just to give it a little topper. Look at how pretty. Well, okay. Maybe we want to kind of feed it into one of these branches just to give it a little bit of a grip. I don't like that the branch is sticking out like that. I think it doesn't look right. Let me see if I can weed it in a little bit more so that it's not like sticking out like a schlong. Okay, and that's that. Look at how nice. I'll probably knock it off about 15 times, but very pretty, very easy. And I just love this classic look. I'm not even, like the base, I think it's perfect like this. I don't even, like part of me is like, maybe I'll add some decor, and then I'm like, stop it. Stop it. This is perfect, simple, rustic. So I'm just gonna give you a shot of my mantle, just this part where I had those two trees I just showed you. So there's my tree from Marshall's with the Hobby Lobby ornament on the top. And then here's the tree I got from Hobby Lobby with the $2 tree white deer on it. I took another one of those star ornaments and I just kind of propped it up to tie it in. And then this is that acorn candle I got at Aldi's. I use it in the fall and it transitions perfect into my winter decor. So that's one side of my mantle. And I think it's really cute. Very wintry. Over here is another tree. I don't remember where I got this from. This might be a Hobby Lobby tree too. I definitely paid more than $5 for it though. I might have paid 10. I think these were 20 or 29 and then half price. And then these acorn ornaments were from Hobby Lobby. There's a pack of 3 of them for $11.99, but they're 50% off. And I'm all into the acorns this year. So I had a shelf, or not a shelf, a wooden basket. So I decided to put the tree base in there and I had to wedge it in. Don't mind the paint, I've been painting too. I had to wedge it in there really good, but I think it looks pretty. And then just kind of prop the acorns up in there. And look at how nice that looks with my deer. Maybe I'll lower the acorn a little bit, I don't know. Kind of looks like just an egg there, but I mean, I like it. I like it. It's fine. And then we have this really pretty, easy peasy Dollar Tree arrangement with clearance picks and the Dollar Tree little vase candle holder. It could be a tea light holder. I'm using it as a holder for my picks. And the best time to shop, and I will be out there, is after Christmas. I went to Hobby Lobby the other day and all their fall stuff, there wasn't much left, but all their fall stuff was 90% off, so I got a bunch of really nice picks with pine cones on them. I think they were like 20 cents a piece. They're normally $3. I'll take it. So just remember, you don't have to have a big elaborate craft project to make something look beautiful and elegant. Do I love doing big elaborate things? Absolutely, but I do like simple too. And you can have simple, pretty decor, very cheap, but very classy looking. Well, I hope to see you next time, and I hope everybody's having a wonderful holiday season. Love you. See you soon. Bye.